guys, it's Purple Kitty AJ, and today I'm going to be doing a look video. I might buy some clothes this episode. I do not have a lot of clothes to make this video. So let's get started. So let's see. I'm gonna start off by taking all that off, and then we're gonna start off with this casual princess dress right here. And the next thing that I want to do is, you've seen this before, but I do have a little necklace thing, whatever it's called. And then actually, I may as well just start from this. There's some of my leg armor, and then my horns, and my flower, my spiked collar, my princess dress, my fairy wings. That's very nice. They're mostly pink too. My necklace. Oh god, that looks weird. I have my tiara. I have another tiara. I got some socks. I got a heart locket. I got this ribbon scarf, and then I got a flower headband, white one, a diamond, whatever that thing is called, a leaf necklace, an eyeball hat, baseball cap, flower crown. Now this is the same thing as this, just in red. And then I have some feather earrings, a pearl bracelet, and horned leg pads, night helmet, and a sports jersey. So we're in the wrong store right now. Where's this the right store? See, now I'm getting confused. I think this might be the right store. Yes, this is the right store. We do not want a cheese hat. Not a bird's nest hat. Some of these hats just look ridiculous.
Don't you think the cheese hat would be awful cheesy?
I thought you said you could be quiet.
Well, I just made a pun, so.
I might put those in there. Oh, no, that matches me. I'm gonna buy this. Okay, so now I bought these. Now the real thing, the final step to this whole entire thing. The next episode I'll be making a demo video, but I am going to put on my outfit. So I think I'm gonna wear my new sunglasses, my next thing, no, this, I'm gonna wear this, not my princess dress, my bracelet. How about my diva bracelet? That looks more like me. What? Let's see. No, this is my final outfit. And next video, I'm either going to give you a house tour, or I'm gonna tell you how to decorate your den. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye!